Where are you? I need you right now! Jet baby! That sure was fun! Part 1 was good too, but this one had more juice. What's wrong, Lammy? You seem down.
Oh, I wish I was that strong.
Lammy, you're already strong as is. You should be more confident. Nobody beats Lammy when she's on the guitar. My son.
But that is the truth.
Hey, don't forget, we are Milk Can. With my son's beats, Lammy's guitar, and my almighty bass combined with that distinguished voice, there's nothing to be afraid of.
Squirrel!
Yeah!
Well, what do we have here? Plenty of munchies for everyone, right?
Yeah!
Not only munchies, but a little babe, all dressed up for us. Ain't that right?
Right!
Lammy, here! See? The guitar rules again.
Stomachache, so I went to the bathroom, but there was a long line at the gas station. I told them it was an emergency, but they said,
Let's rap for it!
Nah. Good, I made it. Who's that?
And here's our new vocalist, Chop Chop Mustard Onion!
Now, wait a minute. Who is that?
Lammy, here!
Kick, boom, you remember? Chop your back again, yes forever. You have many challenges coming at ya. Fast to the fire, don't retire now, pick. Fly, up down, again now, pick. Fly, up down. Only now as I do my chore, nobody ever talks to me no more. But if I really want to come crying out loud, do you think you could play and calm it down? Or if you wanna play, how would you play? Slot the laughter down, all away. I just wanna know, can you really go without guitar in hand? I don't know. Coming at ya, fly high, sky high, cry loud. Shut up. Fly, cry. Bang. Cry. Upside down. Grandpa, chop. Sapwood, talk. Yeah, good. Big chop pan. Five like chalk. One like fly. Chop big fly. Chalk fly pig. Fly chop down. Big pan fly. Five like chop. Big pan and cry. Fly chop chalk. Big pan and cry fly chop chalk. I am a master, and you. Ha, Lammy, look what you are holding in your hand.
I don't know. What is it? Oh, wait! Everybody, wait! Oh, what should I do?
What are you afraid of?
Well, look at my guitar.
Guitar? Listen, I lost my dojo, but the dojo remains in my mind. It even has a casino. Dojo casino has all in the mind. You have nothing to lose.
Phew, it was a dream. There's only 15 more minutes until the show. Gulp.
Hi, this is Lammy. I can't answer the phone right now
I forgot.
because the milk can live show is coming up real soon. I'm not really ready for it. But Katie, Mom, and I spent a lot of time in the studio. My solo was not really the way I wanted it to be, so I kept practicing, and it turned out to be okay. But anyways, please leave your name and a brief message, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, bye-bye.
Downstairs has the crispy on the cheese, and it's smelling good, sir. I'm gonna block all the roads.
Please let me through. I'm in a hurry.
A hurry? Back on! You're in the way!
My baby! My baby is still inside! Somebody do something!
Excuse me. I'm like in a hurry. Can you let me through?
You're in a hurry? Help us put the fire out there!
Me? Help out the fire?
Dojo casino is all in the mind.
Yeah, that's right. My guitar's in my mind. Leave it to Lammy!
Let's get on! like no other. I want it over here and over there, so the fire won't spread and go no further. Hold you tight and get ready for the fire. Quit this paper show and show some that's right. Having fun. I've been through the tears, let me tell you a little something. What the fun? Having fun. It's a bit of a rush and a bit of a dash. What the fun? Put it on the fire, feel good. Put it on there, feel good. If you don't think you're the one, always stand and work and be done. Let's get on, let's get on. There's the fire, it's out now. Time for lunch, let's go out. Okay, that was pretty good. You can go through now.
Okay, gotta move on.
Thanks to you, we get to keep our job. Here, stock up on this pizza. The house is well done, but the pizza is medium rare. Plenty for everyone. Have this too.
Thanks. 11 more minutes to go.
Time for you and me to have a family. With a baby, we should live so happily. Could be a boy or girl, whichever, we don't mind at all. Our newborn treasure shall bring us some love and peace to all. You can give them food, change his diapers. Then you can pay the bills, do the dishes. You can babysit, only if I'm it.
Well, my, are you in labor? Well, you don't need to worry anymore. I've been doing this for 50 years, and you're lucky, because today is an after-school sale. Come on now.
No, that's not what I...
Our newest little baby.
Okay, everyone. I'm proud of all of you. All the babies are healthy and well. You're still not done, but your tummy is small now. Hey, you didn't really have a baby, did you? Well, get up now and help us out. Come on now, let's get to it.
Dojo, casino, it's all in the mind.
That's right! My guitar's in my mind! Leave it to
Now put these kids to sleep, will ya? Give us a meal. listen. We have discounts every Monday and Wednesday. Come to us when you really have a baby. Here.
Thank you. I only have 8 more minutes.
Hey, where you going? Give it back!
No, the plane's leaving.
Let's see now, was it the green button or the blue switch? Gotta put that back in there. Where in the world were you, soldier? Haven't you ever heard the term punctual? In the Air Force, a split-second decision makes the difference between life and death. Don't you know? Ow! Here we go. I kind of forgot how to fly. See, I had to go repair my dentures a few days ago. Oh boy, I can eat almonds. Fell down again. Look, I told you we don't have all day. Get to work now, soldier.
I'm not exactly a pilot, but
Here we go. Looky here. I'll help you fly. Now, which one is my right hand?
May I have your attention, please? We will be taking off shortly, so please fasten your seatbelts at this time. That also goes for the passengers in our casino. Casino.
It's all in your mind.
yeah, that's right. My guitar's in my mind. Leave it to me.
Now, which one is my left hand? Could it be this one?
Never give it up, soldier! Put on a track, show what you got, soldier!
Did I eat my drink? I thought milk was pink.
Yeah! Little bit of this, little bit of that!
Now do you like lunches? I wonder where lunch is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always give it your best.
My knees in pain. So is my brain.
To the sky, give me all you got, never give it up, soldier. Get in the morning, put on a track, show what you got, soldier.
I thought I just made some coffee for me. Want some apples and berries to eat.
Now it's time to move on. It only gets much harder, so carry on. You think I'm bold now? I got the skills to beat you and knock you out.
My knees in pain. So is my brain.
Roll up that sound. Gears down.
I'm getting sleepy. I want my sheets.
Enough. Little of this, little of that.
Now do you like munches? I wonder where lunch is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always give it your best.
In the old days I was the hero, but look at me, I'm learning just how to fly. depressed, I'm hungry, I'm sleepy, don't wanna die. Well, let's see if you can do that again.
Again? But I don't have time.
Give me this guy! Give me what you got! Never give it up, soldier! Give me more! Put it on track! Show what you got, soldier! Did I eat my drink? I thought milk was pink. Maybe you like lunches. I wonder where lunch is. 3, 4, 5, 6. Always give it your best. My knees in pain. So is my brain. Give me this guy. Give me what you got. Never give it up, soldier. Give me the more. Put it on track. Show what you got, soldier. Thought I just made some coffee for me. I want some apples and berries to eat. It's time to move on. It only gets much harder, so carry on. You think I'm bold now? I got the skills to beat you and knock you out. He's in pain. So is my brain. Claps down. Power up, gears down. I'm getting sleepy. I want my sheets. Now do you like munches? Yeah, lunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always give it your best. In the old days I was the hero, but look at me, I'm learning just how to fly. I'm still wondering when we get to rest. I'm hungry, I'm sleepy, don't wanna die. That was gooder than good. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm in a hurry. Need to move on.
That was some adventure, hey?
Thanks. I only have 3 more minutes, but I'm close enough now. Thanks, sir. Guitar! My guitar! Where did I put it? Oh no! I left it on the plane! Oh! I gotta get me a guitar. Hey, there's one.
May I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for a guitar.
What kind?
Well, a cool one with awesome sound and has reclining seats, power steering, and dual
I
airbags.
don't have time for jokers.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I just want one that's cool and cheap, and of course, the sound quality's gotta be superior.
A greedy girl, ain't ya?
Oh, please. I'll do anything, please.
Anything?
Casino here, casino there, casino.
Help! Go away!
You said anything, didn't ya? Come on, let's make a guitar.
But I don't think exactly
Where's that place that comes in here whenever I'm aware? Casino here, casino there, casino in my hair.
Yeah, my guitar's in my mind. Leave it to
Casino in her chair.
Get up, turn your chains on. Power on, power on. Let's start with this tree here. Low gear, high gear. Come on, hurry. Don't you worry, the G gotta go back surely. All I wanna hear is you come over here. There's no fooling around with tears. Come on, get down, way down to the low ground, and we're gonna make it with the dog with all the timber around. Use your chins, chain for them. Rocking to the beat of the sun. Knowing that we're here for the fun. Gonna make a guitar by giving it all you've got. Go on, girl. Oh, girl. Okay, turn it up. Make sure batteries are charged up. Give it every little muscle that you got inside your little papa. Hey! Oh, I don't wanna hear that. You got no time. Oh, you're in a hurry to go gig. All I wanna hear is you come over here. There's no fooling around with you. Come on, get down, way down to the low ground, and we're gonna make it with the car with all the timber around. Never used your chance, chain for them. No, damn it, harsh running, loud blowing. Rockin', rollin' all along. Now here comes some more. This is who you are. Are you a shiny star? Let me see your guitar. I'm impressed. You can move on now.
Yeah, I really need to move on.
Where's that place that comes in pairs whenever I'm aware?
Here, you can have this too.
Thank you. 2 more minutes and I'm history.
Power up, keys down.
the guitarist. Come on, hurry, hurry! We need you out there!
Huh? Wait.
Who do you think you are, coming in this late? Don't underestimate me just because I'm an idol.
Come on, it's time to do it!
No. You see, I was on my way to my own show, but I ended up here.
How did that happen? Anyways, I'll help you get to where you're going.
Really? Can you really do that?
Yeah, only if you play right. Come on.
Yeah, that's right. My guitar's in my mind. Leave it to Lammy.
Here we go, everyone. 1, 2, 3, go! Jumping back and forth and up and down. Before angel comes to take you round and round. Only one to come over here, 'cause I can think of something for me and you to do. If I can happen on somebody will come back and pick me up with you. Wanna be a girl that's never shoots fear. Someone need a man that really understands everything and knows my fears. It might be you, or maybe you. My mind's jumping back and forth and up and down. Somebody come to rescue me before an angel comes to take me round and round. I can think of something for me and you to do. Somebody will come back to pick me up with you. Hope that the time comes. Me to have fun. I'm talking about getting high.
Start all over. You should be banned from every game.
From every game? Even this one?
With your game. All right. This is the supersonic transportation device, and it will send you back to where you came from.
Okay, cool.
Phew! Is the show over? So you're the one who took my job. My watch is broken, my guitar strings broke, my costume has wrinkles, and I don't get any messages on my beeper. All because of you.
Say what?
Let's see who's the better guitarist.
I'm really in a hurry. Maybe some other day.
Hey, wait! Get back here!
Thanks.
Hey, check this out! Live in concert! Milk Can! That's us!
But that's right around the corner.
Uh-huh. That's why we have to get going right now. How does this look? Well, what about this one? But this kind of makes me look heavy. You think this one's better? Lammy! That's it! How do you make a poster? The band's logo's gotta be really big.
My picture doesn't have to stand out.
Oh, come on!
Oh, I'll bet they're all here. I'm really, really sorry. I got caught up in a lot of mess.
Okay, this is it. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. Milk Can is always on my mind. Leave it to Milk Can!
It was the 36th time that he broke my heart.